Transurfer, and thank you for tuning in to this reality transurfing meditation technique. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and please like this video and comment in the comment section below. I love reality transurfing to enter my giveaway for my reprogramming stickers. So with that, I will get into it. This meditation is called the Outer Sphere. All of these meditations are official Vadim Zeland meditations. I'm simply going to read the meditation as Vadim presents it to us, and then you can obviously do the meditation at home in comfort. It's really a meditation that you would take just the same way you would do an awareness meditation or a breathing meditation or any quiet meditation. So this is the outer sphere. You may never have experienced your energy membrane or felt it expanding as it becomes subject to your imagination. This will be because your actions are motivated by inner intention. Now imagine a sphere surrounds you that does not belong to you. Imagine that the sphere draws you. You can feel that something outside of you is trying to stretch out of your body. Somewhere within a radius of 5 to 7 meters lies an invisible front. If you try and stretch it or squash it slightly, it will show a springy resistance. Now you will have felt the sphere more clearly. This is the borderline that connects you with the outside world. What is inside the sphere is yours, and what is outside, the external, is not yours. At the same time, you could say that the sphere belongs to you to the extent that you can feel it pulling you. Intention has been redirected. The proactive essence now lies on the outside rather than inside of you. By way of analogy, if you try and control an object with the power of inner intention, such as by moving a pencil with your willpower, it will not work. Instead, try and imagine that the pencil draws you with invisible threads. It is by means of this connecting link that you can move the pencil. Likewise, if you try and rise up into the air, you will not take off and fly. Instead, imagine the opposite happening, as if the world itself is lifting you up into the air. You might have some success if you manage to transform inner intention into outer intention. The point is to try and go beyond the point where your will to make the world obey it to allowing the world to do it itself. This is all quite complex, and yet for our purposes, it does not have to be. It is enough to feel the presence of the outer membrane. Once you sense it, do not lose that feeling. Partly focus your attention on it, and then begin to play the target slide in your mind. The sphere will serve as a kind of antenna for the transmission of thought energy, and this will substantially strengthen the efficiency of your slide.